What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills and I'm back with another sneaker review for you guys. Today I have the unboxing of the Undefeated pack that released back in December. I actually just got them today. What is today? Monday the 11th, and they just touched down. So I'm going to be doing the unboxing for y'all. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into it. We will be looking at these together. It's gonna be my first time looking at them, so box is empty and cookies in there. So let's start out with the black pair first. You got your Undefeated paper right there, and let's open it up. Man, let's see what we're working with here. So this is a pair. Back in 2017 they released a black and a white pair. I actually had those a long time ago, got rid of them a while ago back in the day for a good price. I didn't keep those. I might end up holding on to these because these actually I like. So here you have it, guys. As you can see, it says Undefeated all the way around. The toe, the sides. It's a really dope pair. I just love the insole and the Undefeated on the insole. I think it's so cool. That look right there, and then also on the little tab you got the same thing. The Undefeated came with black laces. This is the black. Oh shoot, I didn't even notice. It actually has the Militia green on it. See the Militia green right there, and you got the black and the white midsole and the black outsole with the also on there. See the black with the green on there. Overall, this is a dope shoe. I like these. I didn't even know it was black, green, and neon, but it's literally black green. Even on the tongue there, it's a neon. I mean, it's the neon swoosh with the Militia green in the background behind it, and it's kind of like a suede. But that's one pair. Let's get on to the next pair. Here you have your Militia green pair. That one right there. These are fire as well. Look at the insoles and the little tab in the orange and that green all around. So the thing with these was, back in 2017 they actually came out with the green pair like this. I heard from what I hear, it's a little bit darker than this green pair, and the materials are a little bit better. But it was basically, I think that one was like only friends and family or samples or something like that. They never released that pair. They only released the white pair and the black pair. So when I saw that they were actually releasing a Militia green pair in the Undefeated colorway, I was like, oh, I gotta scoop this up. So I went for it. And I hit on the pack. The pack is pretty dope to me. I think they actually look pretty good, both of them. But you know, with this one you got your black, also with just your little hints of that orange. There you go. You see it's got the black background with the orange swoosh, and then the orange Undefeated, and on the insole you got your Undefeated with your Nike swoosh. You gotta love that. And then all around, I don't see too many defects on these. They did a good job with the quality control, it looks like. And I will definitely be wearing these. It's probably going to be turned into a pair that I wear often, just because I love the way it looks. I think it's a good winter pickup. It's good for winter. These are good for winter too. These actually will be rocked as well. It's just little differences here and there. Look. Check them out. See, with this one you got the it's pretty interesting. In this one you got like this has like a green bubble there, like the Militia green bubble. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it's picking it up. And then this one has a green bubble back there, but you see the bubbles on the side are all clear. And the same with this one. The bubbles on the side. Actually, the bubbles on the side of this one is actually green. This one's all green. And then this one has the clear and only the neon in the back bubble right here, which is an interesting touch. It's actually pretty cool, the clear and the white and neon. But yeah, this is definitely winter shoe. Definitely will be wearing these. These are definitely keepers for me. This is definitely something I'm gonna be rocking. I plan on rocking these. Definitely, man. These are just so cool. What do you guys think about these bad boys right here? You trying to get these? Did you get them? Did you pass? Did you just wait for the single release and just get one? Also, they came up with the UCLA pair, which was only on Nike sneakers. And y'all already know how I do on Nike sneakers, which is never good. So those were not it for me. I did not get them. For some reason, Undefeated never released those. I don't know if it was just supposed to be a Nike sneakers only drop, or maybe because of the COVID and everything, they just decided to just not release them and let Nike sneakers release them, because a lot of people have been complaining that they still haven't even received their pairs, and we already on the January 11th. So I mean, I don't know, you guys let me know. Did you get these? Did you try for these? Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a like. Check out, I got some new merch coming real soon. Just check back for that. I'll have the link in my bio for my website. Check them out. Look at that. These are dope, man. These are so fire. I'm like so hyped about these. But y'all already know. Until the next one, I'm out. Peace.